I don't know if y'all can hear me, but today is the day of my Dallas retreat. I'm in the airport, so it's kind of loud, so if y'all can hear me, I'm sorry. But yeah, y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just gonna be me going to Dallas for a brand trip, and I'm super excited. It's my first ever one, so I recorded some stuff just coming in here and stuff. This is my first time ever flying alone, so I'm really a little nervous, but everything will be okay. Right now, I'm just waiting for my flight to board. So I've said my prayers. I've talked to all my family members, my man, my best friend, everybody before I left. And y'all see manifest right on that.
Gentlemen, we do have a full flight this afternoon. If you'd like to check your bags to your final destination, you can see me at the podium. Just bring me your seat assignment, and I'll send it all the way to your final instead of dragging it all the way through Dallas.
You know how on the show Manifest, they get on a plane and they come back, it's like 5 or 10 years later. I told him, I said, you think this gonna happen to me? But yeah, y'all, so we have about like 10 minutes till we board.
For those of you who are in groups 8 and 9, you may have to have your bags.
I was like, you think that'll happen to me? And she was like, girl, and I was just like, you never know, because it could. I don't know what I would do when I come back, though, because my last year at school, I just don't even go back to school. It's too early for that. I mean, it's too late for that. But yeah, I'm charging my phone and my iPad right now. But yeah, I will see y'all when we get there. So I'll get back to y'all later. Hopefully we'll meet everybody when we get there.
Lane Group 1 is welcome to board. This is 27.
So I made it. The lighting is terrible in this airport, but I made it. I'm currently going to get my baggage. So yeah, we made it to Dallas. So we're gonna see. Okay, y'all. So we made it. I'm in the house. It's really cute. I'll show y'all it later or not, but really cute. I'm tired. But I'm gonna say to me, everybody. Make sure y'all don't know yet. So it's 11:44. I'm trying to be quiet because everybody is still asleep. But I wanted to show y'all the goodie bag that they gave me. So hold on. Okay. So I took some of this stuff out. This is the bag. It's so cute. Comes with the shirt. Let's see. Ooh. Curl bays, take Dallas. Okay. Bolt that up. Things falling. I'm so sorry. I also got bath soap pouch. You put your soap in here. Place your favorite soap inside the pouch and pull the drawstrings closed. Bath soap pouch also helps to produce a creamy, ritualizing, and easy on the skin. Oh, hey, babe. Oh, it's so cute. I love these. The Dove body creams or beauty cream. Oh, it's a candle. Candles by Lorraine. Passion fruit big. Let's smell. It smells good. It smells really good. It smells like candy. Put the little bow back. That was in my bag, and I got this tea. It's peppermint patty. It's the herbal oil. It says steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dry herbs in hot cold water for 3 to 5 minutes. Super cute. So I don't put anything back in my bag. So I also got this. It says bottle. And I already opened it. So, but it is it's a bottle, like a tea bottle, and it's glass. It's super cute. And when you take it off, it has a little filter, so you put the tea in it. You can take it out, so you can drain the herbs to the tea. Super cute. I'm gonna use it for my coffee though, just because I'm a coffee gal. And then lastly, as y'all can see, I'm wearing the ecoslay bonnet, right? So I got a pillowcase to match. They just came out with their pillowcases. So. And I'm gonna put it on my pillow. It matches my bonnet. I don't think I showed y'all my room. I was going to be sleeping in the bunk beds, but then there's only like 4 of us here, so each got a little space. So this is the room. I already took the sheets off and stuff. I'm so sorry, but I have my like suitcase over there, and there's a closet over there, and there's a TV. But yeah, this is the room. It has like a little desk area over here. One thing I do like is that they have like an escape plan in every room to show you. So like, I can't show y'all the address, but y'all see, like it has downstairs, bathroom, loft, you know, like exits and stuff to tell you, you know? I like that. Good morning. So it's like 9:15 and breakfast is at 9:30. I wanted to get up at 8:30, but baby, I was sleepy. But I'm about to brush my teeth and stuff and get in the shower. I even have the little robe I'm gonna wear because I want to feel fancy. So yeah, let's get ready for today. Today, just supposed to be breakfast. Then we have 2 like classes, and then we're going out to eat, and then we're going to some like lounge or bar or something. I'm excited, so let's get ready for today.
Gotta be open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then. And you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making.
Okay, so I'm about to go down for breakfast. And let's go see what they got. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so I'm tired. I am currently laying down. That's good. So I'm gonna give y'all like a run through of my day because clearly I didn't really show y'all a lot. I have like bits and pieces and stuff, but not really. So if y'all hear the cars and stuff, so sorry. But this morning I got up around 8:15, 8:30, and breakfast was supposed to be 9:30 to 10:30. I didn't go downstairs till like 10:30. Not 10:30. I went out like 10:15 or something like that. But we didn't have breakfast. No. I don't know what time I went downstairs. I really don't know. We had breakfast. We had mimosas and stuff. I'll put a picture right here of my breakfast and stuff. Then we had a session. It was really cool, really nice. The session was basically how to be a better content creator, how to be more consistent, how to be more engaging, how to manage all the different platforms that are out there today and the ones that you use and things like that. I really took some like good takeaways from that. I'm gonna try to implement them in my content creation journey. The next session we had was more about advertisements and like the actual content itself. So he talked about like good transitions, and he talked about transformations, what your audience like and what pulls audience in, what kind of emotions you need to pull from your audience for them to really want to engage with you. And like if you're doing sponsorship and stuff, how to get them to get retaining audience, you know. And then the last one was just about their brand. So like what things they could do better, what things you like about them, what are things you see in other brands that you want to see in them. That was that. Then we had lunch. I'll put a picture right here of my lunch or whatever. We're supposed to go to dinner tonight. Dinner at this place called... Yes? Okay, sorry y'all, because they going to Target and I can't go. I ain't got no money to spend and I'm sleepy. Them drinks... Oh, let me tell y'all something. We've been drinking all day. When they say this is the party, this is the party. No, I'm playing this thing to say that. But... So what was I saying? Oh, the third one was basically like how they can do better as a brand, what do their customers want to see, what is some feedback they see about their brand and stuff like that. I just think that they like products that you like and what you don't like, stuff like that. So like how to make their brand better, their products better, and blah blah. I will insert all the pictures and stuff, but like I was saying, we're supposed to be going to dinner tonight at this place. It's, when I looked it up, it looked like a dinner food place, but it also looked like a place where they had like a show for you type thing. I don't know. It's giving me like drag show or something like that. I really don't know. But I'm gonna put like clips in so y'all can see. I want to do a get ready with me on TikTok. I didn't bring my like stand, but they have the little I don't know if y'all can see it. They got the little mirror. There we go. They got the little mirror right there. It lights up. So I'm gonna use that and do my makeup and stuff. And then we're supposed to go to this lounge afterwards. My head kind of hurt a little bit. That's why right now I'm in the bed. I'm about to take a nap. Your girl been drinking. We had mimosas. We had a cotton candy shot, y'all. I've never had that before. It was some. But yeah, I put my bonnet on because I'm about to take a nap. And did y'all see? We got the matching pillow to go with my bonnet. Ooh. But yeah, I'm gonna take a nap. It's like 4 or something now. We have reservations at 7, so I'm gonna get up at like 5:15, 5:20 to get dressed and stuff. I want to see what everybody else wearing because, baby, I didn't bring like the cutest outfit. I brought a little something, you know. But yeah, so yeah, I'll see y'all when I get up and when I'm doing my face and stuff. So, oh y'all, I fixed my nail. You see, remember I had that one, now I got this one. And then, hold on. This, don't look at this one, okay? But y'all get the picture, okay? But yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep, so. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting ready to go out. I'm gonna try to show y'all a bit. Try. Keyword try. Right now, I need to stretch my little temples. I need to stretch them out so they'll be like longer and it'll all come together. So they have a hair dryer. I'm gonna use it. And I don't need it on hot, but I need it, just to stretch them. Okay. See, it compliments me better. I don't know. It just does, okay? I don't know. Okay, so ready. I need to put on extra deodorant because the girl be sweating. But this is what we got. And I like it. Hold on, let's see if I can show y'all the mirror. Okay, I'm trying to back up so y'all can see. So this is me. I am her, she is she, I am she. But yeah, the booby is popping. But yeah, this is what I got. The face is getting faced. I'm gonna go ahead and put my lip gloss on it. So it'll make my lips pop. And I just nixed that around. Dang. I didn't mean to do that, but I need to put more deodorant on because you're gonna be sweating. Don't judge me. Yes, I use men's deodorant. Okay. Okay. Your girl looks good. Okay, your girl looks good. I tried to call my man. Let me see if I can call my man and talk to him. Hold on. I want some perfume. I don't think I packed my perfume. I received it. The Victoria's Secret's Palm Lorraine. Y'all know what I'm talking about.
Gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too brave. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. I bet you know me, and you knew me back then. And you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I be there for me. You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, no. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably cross-side. Know I gotta come and check the old man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the G block stainers, and we got adopted by some flip-boy strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers.
Okay, I know I look crazy, but we just got back. It's like 2 o'clock here, but 3 o'clock my time, so I'm like really burnt out. I'm a bit tired. I drank a lot, I had a lot of fun, but now baby's time to go to sleep because my plane is at 12 tomorrow. And I'm gonna try to get up by 8 so I can be out of here by 10. But yeah, my hair look crazy, but I'm about to put my bonnet on and go to sleep. So good night, y'all.
When I twist these fingers, me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was outside of the